What happens when one friend works hard and the other only sings? This is a simple and powerful story that teaches us the value of hard work. Let's enjoy The Ant and the Grasshopper. Story: The Ant and the Grasshopper. Level 1. Once upon a time, there lived an ant and a grasshopper in a green field. The ant was very hardworking. Every day it collected food and stored it carefully. The grasshopper was lazy. It loved singing and dancing all day. One summer morning, the grasshopper saw the ant carrying grains of wheat. "Why are you working so hard?" asked the grasshopper. "Come and sing with me. Enjoy the sunny day." The ant replied, "I am collecting food for the winter. When winter comes, food will be hard to find." The grasshopper laughed and said, "Winter is far away. I will think about it later." Days passed, summer ended, and winter arrived. The field was covered with snow. There was no food anywhere. The grasshopper was cold, hungry, and weak. It could not sing anymore. The grasshopper went to the ant's house and knocked on the door. "Please help me," said the grasshopper. "I have no food." The ant opened the door and gave the grasshopper some food. The ant said kindly, "You should work when you have time. Life is not always easy." The grasshopper felt ashamed and thanked the ant. It learned an important lesson that day. Moral of the story: work hard today so you can live happily tomorrow. This story teaches us an important lesson. Hard work today brings comfort tomorrow. If you enjoyed this story, like the video. Subscribe for more simple English stories. Comment the lesson you learned today.